guys, this is rhubarb. I'm going to show you a simple recipe of how to prepare rhubarb. Never consume the leaves of rhubarb. It's only the stems you can consume. So this vegetable is rich in nutrients. So come along with me as we prepare a delicious rhubarb dessert. The recipe involves rhubarb stalks. These are rhubarb stalks. We are going to put a little bit of ginger just to spice it. And we are not using sugar. Some recipes use sugar. I'm going to use the sweetness of oranges. So our rhubarb today is going to be topped up by some yogurt. So we need to bring this to the boil. We are going to cut the rhubarb stalks into about 2 centimeters of chunks, approximately 2 centimeters. There we go. Orange juice for sweetening. Now we put a bit of flavor, ginger flavor. One rhizome of ginger. Bring to the boil, the rhubarb to the boil. Let it boil and then add a little bit of water and let it boil on low heat. Let it boil for 15 minutes until the rhubarb is tender. Simmer for 15 minutes or so. The rhubarb is broken down. Look at that, it's broken down. Time to cool down. We transfer to a bowl to cool down. That's our rhubarb. Time to cool down. The rhubarb is cooled down. Wow, look at that. That's our rhubarb. Now it's time for serving. The rhubarb is cooled down. Now we are serving the rhubarb with some yogurt. So this is our rhubarb. So we can use Greek style yogurt or any yogurt. This we can save for another day. Just put in the fridge. Rhubarb and some yogurt. We have mint flavor just to enhance the flavor. Tasting time. The sweetness of the yogurt and the rhubarb sourness, they are making a delicious dessert. With a bit of mint flavor there. It tastes so yummy. Tastes so yummy. Your rhubarb tastes so yummy with the yogurt.